Have you been hearing about Sidra and wondering how to make a contribution the right way? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll break it down step by step, in the simplest way possible. First, let's understand what Sidra contribution means. A Sidra contribution is a way of supporting the Sidra ecosystem, helping it grow, improve its services, and create long-term value for its community. Your contribution is not just about money, it's about participation, belief, and support. Now let's move to how you can make a Sidra contribution. Step 1. Get access to the official Sidra platform. Make sure you're using the official website or approved application. This is very important to avoid scams or fake links. Step 2. Create or log in to your Sidra account. If you're new, complete the registration and verify your details. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 3. Navigate to the contribution section. Once inside your dashboard, look for options like contribution, support, or ecosystem funding. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your contribution amount. Sidra usually allows different contribution levels. Start with what you can afford. Remember, small contributions still matter. Step 5. Select your payment method. Follow the instructions carefully, confirm your details, and complete the transaction securely. After completing your contribution, always confirm your transaction and keep any receipt or confirmation message. This helps you track your support and resolve issues if needed. Now, here's something very important to remember. Sidra contributions are meant to support development, not a guarantee of instant profit. Always contribute responsibly and avoid using money you can't afford to lose. In conclusion, making a Sidra contribution is simple. Use the official platform, follow the steps carefully, and contribute with purpose. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and educational content. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future with Sidra.